There are some people who chase motivation, and there are people who quietly build discipline. Today's guest is someone who has run a half marathon, by the way, 21 kilometers every single day for more than 2000 consecutive days. But this episode is not about running, it's about what happens to a human being when they choose discomfort every single morning, when they wake up before the world does, when they don't negotiate with themselves. Abhishek Singh Pandher started this journey during COVID, at a time when the world was surrounded by fear, uncertainty, and loss. And instead of shrinking, he chose to move forward, literally. If you're in your 20s, figuring life out, trying to build something meaningful, this episode might stay with you longer than you expect. So let's begin. Thank you. All right, everybody. Thank you, Abhishek, for joining in my podcast. And as I'd mentioned already in my intro, you have run 2028 half marathons consecutively as of today. And how was the run today, at least?
Hi, Dash. Thank you for inviting me here. It was definitely cool. There were some friends with me, and it is as usually a Sunday. So it is the day. So I love running on Sundays with friends.
Right. So, you have a crew with you, or, group of friends with you running as well.
Yes, yes, we have many.
Oh, you have many. So, for the people who don't know, Abhishek is on Strava as well. He's very regular there. He updates his every single run there. And that's how even I got to know his marathon streak. Also, it's a very big number to remember, right? So, when you're running, you might find, people around recognizing, this is the person who has run 2000 marathons, half marathons. So, how does it feel, when someone confronts you like that?
So I don't know what to say because I believe in each day, each pole at a time. So I started with a single step. So now this happened. I never thought this would happen, but it is happening. And yeah, I'm on it.
Right, right. So, as you said, single step. I know that there were must have been days, where you didn't want to run, or didn't even want to start running as such. Like 21 kilometers on day one would be like, okay, 21 kilometers one day, it's fine. Probably I'll train, and again I'll run. But what was the commitment behind running each single day 21 kilometers?
This is the question coming from many of the runners. How you have started and how you are continuing the streak. I mean, how I started? It was started in COVID times. Fine. So everybody was dying in front of me. I mean, many of the colleagues, many of the family members, people I don't know, young men, old men, everybody is dying. So I thought, do something which I really want to do. My checklist, my bucket list was having this thing, running 21 into 21 days. So I
Hmm.
thought, why shouldn't I do this? I mean, agar marna hai, to let's die like this only. So I've started this running, and I think it is good. And I never knew this will continue this far.
Hmm. So, you said that you had started with, in the COVID time, right?
Yeah.
So, do you somewhere believe that, thinking in the perspective of death motivated you to live for something greater, or strive for something greater?
Absolutely. The point because people they were consigned to their home. They were not coming out. They were. I mean, it was so negative. But as a runner, I'm running from last 37 years. So I always knew fresh air. When you're talking to yourself, be positive. All these things comes in play. Really, it comes in play. So when I started, so early mornings you can't run because security people were there. They don't allow you to run because COVID times you have to be in the house. So I run at night around 2 o'clock, around 3 o'clock, around 4 o'clock. So there were no one, only me. And
Hmm.
it was the place where I live. I get places to run. So this is how I started, and it is so good that I have started this and I've believed in myself on those days.
Right. You know, when I hear this specific part of, your story, I saw two things, right? So, first thing was, running at very odd times. Like,
Yes.
you're making time out of your schedule first thing. And, since you're full time working, it's, running is not your career. You have a different career altogether. This is just, you trying to be, living on your own terms, right? So, how does it feel to, actually thinking that you staying committed to this particular thing, like that you have your schedule, there might be days you are ill, there might be days you're attending marriages, there are many excuses a person can give, but still taking out 2 hours or 3 hours of time every single day to run. Do people misunderstand that, or what's your mentality behind that?
Again, one of the best questions. I simply put in one line: never judge your courage. Because a person, you don't know what you have in you. I mean, everybody is courageous, but you never know until you start doing it, until you believe in yourself, until you put your first step in it. So believe in your courage. Thank yourself first. Yes, God is there, family is there, friends are there, everybody is there. First, thank yourself, thank your courage, and then start. Because if you do not do it, believe me, nobody will come and do it for you.
True.
You don't have a time running in the evening, start in the morning. If you have got early 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, you have to reach to your office, then start little early, start, go to bed at night. I'll brief you. If I want to get up at 3:30 in the morning, when I have to sleep, I have to sleep at 9, right? So
Right.
when I have to sleep at 9, I have to eat my dinner or whatever I eat around 7:30. So if you do that, automatically everything comes in places. Yes, there would be some days where you just cannot do this, but out of 10 days, at least 6 days, 7 days, you can do it. Don't just copy a person who is doing this, so it is easy for him, so you can do it. No, no, just don't copy it. Start a single day. Start for one day. Start at Saturday night or start at Sunday night. Just start that. So whenever you do this, so it will be very easy in coming days, because again and again I say, I'm running from last 37 years. So I know what highs are, I know what lows are. I know about
Mhm.
my body. Everybody's body is different. So you have to know what you are. So start with your courage and just flow accordingly.
Right. S- how does one person find the courage, because not everyone likes running, obviously. There might be things they're interested in, like there's a term called as hidden potential, you might say,
Yes.
that
Yes, yes.
a person needs to figure out their life. It might be through a means a small minor experience as well, that they feel this is the thing which I'm inclined towards. So again,
Yes.
how can a person actually find that side of their life?
Oh my God. This is the question. I'm running for the last 37 years, right? Again, I'm saying it. But I never thought of running this thing. COVID was one thing. Before COVID, one of my record is this: I'm running from last 9.5 year every day. So 5.5 year is one record, and the other record is 9.5 years. So what that means, I have run minimum 2.5 kilometers every day. I have not started in a blue moon. So like I have to run 21 from tomorrow and I have to start for, I'll be doing for 6, 7 years. No, it didn't come that way. Before starting this streak, I am doing minimum 2.5 kilometers every day, and maximum I have done 103 kilometers in a single day. So how this started? It started like, there's a good friend of mine, Satish Bhai Patel. There is an event earlier in 2017 when I started this. So 100 days of running. There's a streak, and it is in Mumbai. So online we can
Mhm.
register and we can run for 100 days. So this guy called me and he told me, Abhishek, you have to be in my team. You have to run 2.5. I told Satish, are you mad? Who will run every day for 2.5 kilometers? he knows me that I'm running for so many years. I am a marathoner. I love to run marathon. I've completed eight, almost seven, eight full marathons at Tata Mumbai, Hyderabad. I have done. So I never ran a half marathon in a competition. I always run full marathons. He knows about my running career and everything. So he told me. So I said, "Naini, with office, and I just cannot do it." So it just gone. Then after 2 days, he has again called me, Abhishek. You have to do it. You are the only person who can do this. Other, I've got my team ready, but I'm not getting the other two guys. So just he is a good friend. He was just calling, so I just started. So the answer to your question is you need push, right? You have to be in that place where people are like-minded living with you. So if you want to run, you cannot go with friend who are alcoholic. You need a friend who runs in the morning. So you have to join that group. Fine. You have to join a cyclist group. You have to join a yoga group. So no matter what your passion is, my passion is running. So if your passion is doing dancing, please join a group. Fine. So this is how it has started, and believe me, from that day, then COVID came. So I've started doing 21 into 21 and just see what happened.
राइट इट एक काफी लॉन्ग टर्म हैबिट बिल्ड हो गया है इसके चक्कर में, लाइक 21
Yeah.
किलोमीटर सिर्फ 21 दिन भाग के एक पुश मिल गया, अच्छा मैं कर सकता
Yes.
हूँ और लंबा.
This is what मेरे को नहीं पता था मैं कर सकता था. I never knew it. I still didn't. I just cannot believe कि मैंने किया है. You know that because this is human. I am a human, right? मैं एक इंसान का बच्चा हूँ, ठीक है?
राइट.
So जब जो human being है ना, so जो potential है ना, this is what I'm saying. Never judge your courage because आपको नहीं पता है कि आप क्या कर सकते हो. There is a science to running. You know how what you should wear, what your feet when you land, where your feet will land, what clothing you have to wear, what climate is you are running in. So there is a process, there is a science. You have to understand the science and just do it. Believe me, miracles will happen.
तो अभिषेक साहब आपने मेंशन किया था कि जैसे आप रनिंग करते हैं तो यू नीड टू हैव अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल विद यू. बेसिकली हिंदी में कहावत है कि आपकी संगत जो है वही या तो आपको बनाती है या तो आपको बिगाड़ती है, राइट? सो इफ वी सी आउटसाइड रनिंग एज वेल, how true do you think this is? Like, the people you surround yourself with, either they make you or break you.
So, 100% it will make you, 100% it will break you. It has to be in a positive if you want to be in a positive, and if you are in a negative scenario, believe me, today or tomorrow, it's gonna destroy you. So, the presence of a particular positive group can liberate you in terms of good thing. Fine. So you have to be with like we have got Ahmedabad distance runners in Ahmedabad. There is a Gandhinagar distance runners. There is a Silvassa group of distance runners. So these groups are really changing people's life. So you have to be in this group. No
Mhm.
matter how good you are, if you are 100% good, you have to be in that group because of you, many lives can be changed. So, and if you are Novik, then there's no second thought. You have to be there.
Right. So I see, so actually मैं भी ग्रुप का ही पार्ट हूँ, हैदराबाद रनर्स का पार्ट हूँ मैं भी.
Exactly.
राइट. सो
I have run there, Hyderabad. It's very tough, 42 hills
एनएमडीसी.
running. Yeah, I've run in 2012, I suppose.
Oh, that was very long back.
Yeah.
नहीं नहीं, हैदराबाद रूट इज टफ. आई रन माय फर्स्ट 21 के past last year, I guess. In yeah, last year only I had run 21K.
Oh, fair
One of
enough.
the most horrible experiences I've ever had because I was overweight, undertrained. I never knew anything. I was like, "चलो करना है करके." But again,
Yeah,
I
that
did
is the
complete in one
courage.
piece. कुछ भी नहीं
Yes,
हुआ.
yes, yes. Absolutely. That's a courage.
वही तो है. So running has actually made me explore different part of myself, I would say. कि
Absolutely.
कि जैसा है ना, अगर मैं रनिंग कर पा रहा हूँ वो सेम एनर्जी मैं काम पे भी ला पा रहा हूँ कि अच्छा ठीक है वो तो मैं कर ही लिया हूँ, ये कौन-सी बड़ी
Yes.
बात है कोई।
वो toughest thing you have done it in the morning. You know
वही,
the toughest thing you have already done. So the toughest thing you have done, so बाकी चीज़ तो ऐसे ही हो जाएगा.
वो एक अलग सेंस ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस आता है उससे।
Yes, absolutely, absolutely.
एक बुक है दैट इज़ ईट दैट फ्रॉग है बाय ब्रायन
हुँ,
ट्रेसी। सो
हुँ.
वो बुक में भी वही लिखा है दैट ईट द अगलीस्ट फ्रॉग एट द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द डे। बेसिकली
Yes,
जस्ट डू द हार्डेस्ट वर्क एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द डे एंड योर होल डे विल बी इन अ मोशन एट लीस्ट इफ नॉट
yes,
लीनियरली कुछ तो
yes,
काम होगा दिन में।
absolutely.
राइट। सो
तो इसमें एक
नाउ
कहावत है,
वी नो दैट।
इसमें ये
सॉरी।
कहावत है कि जैसे आपने बोला, "सो हू इज़ सुपरमैन? आई एम। सो आई हैव डन द टफेस्ट थिंग इन द मॉर्निंग, सो आई एम द सुपरमैन, सो फुल डे आई विल बी अ
राइट।
सुपरमैन."
Correct. Like as I said, right? Ki, you go with a different sense of confidence
हुँ,
when meet people as well, and you do your daily chores as well.
यस।
वो तो बनता ही है। So
हुँ,
आपकी दुनिया दो चीजों में बटी हुई है जहां तक मेरे को पता है। बैंकिंग इज अ होल डिफरेंट थिंग, उसके लिए दिमाग
यस।
चाहिए ज्यादा। इट्स वेरी टेक्निकल थिंग, बट
हुँ।
रनिंग रिक्वायर्स मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ, द फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ एज वेल, and
Yes.
support from your family as well probably. So how would you say that running has changed your daily life, like running ke bahar bhi, how has it shaped you as a person?
It's a very tough question because sacrifice is the word for your question. So you have to sacrifice a lot, right? You have to sacrifice your nightlife. You have to be away, dinner parties, movies. Your family also sacrifice a lot in it. So when wife says that, "Chalo, aaj movie chalte hain at night," so it is a little tough. Your child, again, when he's in 20s and we are not going in night. So altogether, it is not right as per the scenario. But if you see a long term, they'll understand. They'll understand what I'm doing. So they'll understand. Okay, if can't go in night, we can go in afternoon on Sundays, second, fourth Saturdays, holidays, we can go, and we have to eat properly, we have to eat nice, we have to be healthy at times when people are having so much of difficult situations dealing with. So altogether, when I see myself, I see I've got a not bulky terms of overweight. I was 96, right now I'm 69, so my weight varies from 69 to 71. So this has changed. So the best part is now, when I'm doing this, so people around the world is seeing it, right? And they saying yes through running. If this can happen, why can't I start? Why can't I start for 2 days a week? If this guy is running for this much and this amount, so why can't we start for a shorter distance and 2 3 days in a week? So this is what I achieved. When you helping others, when you see, it gives immense I mean relaxation, satisfaction, whatever you say to yourself, that I am changing somebody's life. So this is humbly I can say it. So this is so great. Yes, this is tough, but at least we are doing it.
Right. So when we see on the a different narrative with this respect, like for example, I am around 20 right now. I will be turning 21 next in May. So in my age, at least, what you might see, the Gen Z, all most of the people, what they do is they spend their time with friends and going to clubs, movies. They socialize a lot basically, right? I am also one of them, of course. Even I do socialize with other people, but there's a certain boundary for me at least. I know that there's this restricted group I can't go into, like not in terms of restricted in the sense not aligning to my vision, you could say. Those kind of people, as you mentioned, like if I stay with an alcoholic and I expect them to run with me, and it's a completely different goal, right? So obviously
Absolutely.
I wouldn't get that support, I wouldn't get that push, I would be always caught by their limit, you could say. So आपके जैसे कई सारे लोग हैं मैं भी रनिंग करता हूँ, लाइक रिसेंटली मैंने 26K जो भागा था January 1st को, मैंने उसका रील बना के पोस्ट किया था। सो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एवर रन दैट डिस्टेंस, आई जस्ट डॉक्यूमेंटेड दैट। तो रिसेंटली मेरे को एक मैसेज आता है हैदराबाद में एक बंदे से, ही वाज लाइक, तू अपनी एज में ये सब कर रहा है, इतने सारे कंस्ट्रेंट के बाद भी यू आर एन इंस्पिरेशन, ये वो करके, राइट? सो दैट मैसेज इज फाइन, लाइक मेरे को पता है अंदर से कि मैंने उसके लिए मेहनत की है। लेकिन व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट टू इज, जैसे द सैक्रिफाइसेस व्हिच यू हैड स्टेटेड कि बाहर नहीं जाना है रात में, ये वो, सो मेनी पीपल थिंक दैट यू आर लिविंग अ रिग्रेटफुल लाइफ बाय नॉट एक्सपीरियंसिंग दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स। सो बस वही है, वो लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि अगर हम भी आपके पाथ पे चलेंगे, वी विल मिस आउट ऑन मेनी थिंग्स, दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द लॉन्ग टर्म विजन। So how can someone get out of this illusion that they're living this regretful life and everything?
So, if I go for this question, I have to say I'll be turning 50, right? So just tell me, आप दोनों, you and if you see me, do you really think I'm 50?
No.
So this is what has given me running. So when people see me, right? When people see me, so
Right.
they say, यार तूने कैसे किया है? मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मैं तो सिर्फ चलता हूँ और दौड़ता हूँ। तो जब आप चलते हैं और जब आप दौड़ते हैं और जब लोगों को पता चलता है, तो उनको लगता है कि वो जो सोचते हैं और जो मैं सोचता हूँ, देयर इज़ अ वास्ट डिफरेंस। I have got that answer कि मेरा first you have to remove your temptation for discipline, right? If you will not remove your temptation for discipline, believe me, you will not reach any place. Fair enough. So
Right.
so I have done that. So now these people or the Gen Zs, they have to understand that discipline is the keyword for success. If they will not be disciplined for no matter what they want, for studies or sports or anything else, or any activity they follow, they love, so discipline has to be there. So if they are disciplined, just see me, this will happen. So when they say you look 30, 35, so because of discipline, this is what I've achieved. And on a other note, I've seen so many friend of mine who were in my class have gotten heart attacks, and some of them are died. So this is not right. So you have to see what temptation you are having. Yeah, every day going to a pub, that is a temptation. You have to see. So this is how you have to change.
Okay, so since we're speaking about this, I have two questions in mind, but first
जी
I'll direct one question to you. कि आप sacrifice की बात करें, obviously you have much more experience than many of my listeners, of course, and my age considering that. So could you name a major sacrifice which you made for running, which has proved to be making your life better at least? Like, of course, there will be many sacrifices, लेकिन the most major one, which you could think instantly, हाँ मैंने इसको त्यागा था तब जाके मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ.
Very tough question. Because there are many. Every day there is
वही.
one. So it is tough. But one incident I have to tell, and people say I'm mad. People say, क्या ज़रूरत है ये करने का? Why you have done this on the first place? So my father was ill, and I've got a news that he is no more. 15 days I was with him, and when I came back to my working place, so after 2 days he passed away. So I have got this news around 12 o'clock. So at 2:30 I started driving, self-driving. I started to went home, my native place, from Gujarat to Bhopal, I mean MP. So I have drove the 600, 700 kilometers. Then I reached there at 2:30 in the morning. 3 o'clock I have reached, and I sat there for 10, 15 minutes. I touched my father's feet, and I went for a run, and it was the toughest run I ever ran. And I came back, again touched his feet. I've said sorry, and I've done all the rituals. So most of the people thought that why I have done this, why can't I stopped on that day? Why it is important? Believe me, if my father was alive and he was he if he see and if he got the news that I'll be stopping, then he would never say you should stop. You should run. So that was the biggest sacrifice I've done. So after that, many of the news came. Sachin has done the same. There are many. Sachin Tendulkar has done the same. Many of the big athletes have done the same. So it is not you who is doing it. Is a different thing. A different. Uh, I don't know what to say and how to say it, but this was a sacrifice I've done.
That day we could say that, you did not run just for the habit, but you ran to actually show your father probably that, I have become this person and this is my way to respect you and the things you have done for me. I could say that.
Because he was my first teacher. He was an ex-army man. He has fought 71 war. He was a foot soldier in I mean artillery regiment, and my grandfather has fought 41. He was a foot soldier Sikh regiment. So my father taught me कि तुम लोग तो कुछ दौड़ते वौड़ते नहीं हो. We used to have 40 kgs of load and we run 50-100 kilometers. तुमको तो 5 kilometer चलना तुम लोगों को ऐसा हो जाता है. So he was my first teacher. The second one is definitely Rocky. So uh, that the respect I've shown to my father. Look, what you have made me, and I'm so proud of you. Because of you, I am here and I'm doing this.
इफ अगर हम बिलीव करते हैं कि ऊपर से हमें देखा जा रहा है, जो भी हमारे करीबी लोग हैं, देन आई एम डेफिनेटली श्योर दैट योर फादर वुड बी प्राउड ऑफ यू, ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि
Yes.
आप तो मेरे पापा के एज के जितने ही हैं, तो मेरे
Yeah.
दादाजी हुए वो पर्सपेक्टिव में, तो ऑब्वियसली लाइक he would be very proud of you that you're changing lives of everyone, you're making an impact just through the actions which you do. So
Yes.
again, like, I don't know, I मेरे को पता नहीं था, I would be speaking about this as well. Like, it is really great that you converted that pain into something more meaningful, you could say.
Yes.
But that day when you ran, on the on your father's death day, whenever you went to Bhopal, I guess,
Yes.
right? What
Yes.
were your thoughts that day while you were running?
It was such a bad day, and it was totally 100% dark night. It was, and there was no soul, no even not any dogs or animals were in the on the roads. So it was scary also, and I think out of 100%, I've cried almost 70% on that run. So it was so hard to breathe. It was so I've all my pains and all my father's contribution. I know what he has done and how what he has sacrificed so I could be here. So it was coming, just flashing me on that point. But I think on that day, I didn't run. My father was running, and he was just holding me. I thought that was the thing which keep me. I mean, that happened the way it happened.
That's so beautiful. I mean, I know that you can't express that in words, definitely. It's just an experience you have had, right? That is far far beyond for us to understand as well about it, right? So again, sorry if that made you a bit
No, no, it
discomfort or
is
something.
fine.
It's
No, no,
fine.
it is fine. It is fine.
Right, right. No, because I did not think that I would dive into that area as well. मेरे को बस ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन लगा कि मैं पूछूं because I wanted to
ना
know
ना ना
genuinely.
ना you should because क्या है कि लोगों को है ना बहुत रास्ते मिल जाते हैं एक्सक्यूज़ के लिए। लोगों को बहुत अपने आप को बेचारा कहने के लिए मौके मिल जाते हैं।
Hmm.
एक फौजी जो होता है ना, जब वो सरहद में होता है ना, तो उसके लिए एक गन होता है और उसके लिए सामने वाले को हटाना पड़ता है, तब जाके वो अपने देश को बचा सकता है। देयर इज़ नो इफ एंड देयर इज़ नो येस और देयर इज़ नो, इट इज़ ओनली दिस हैज़ टू बी डन। व्हाई कांट अ सिविलियन डू दिस? व्हाई कांट ही बी अ सोल्जर? व्हाई कांट ही बी डेली अ सोल्जर? यू हैव टू बी अ सोल्जर ऑन अ डेली बेसिस। अगर आप ये कर पाओगे तो आपका देश बहुत जाएगा आगे, बहुत उसको ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ेगा किसी से बचाने के लिए, बिकॉज़ सबको पता है कि यहाँ के लोग कैसे हैं। सो यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग। सो नियत सही होनी चाहिए नियति के लिए। सो फर्स्ट आई बिलीव दैट वे।
राइट। द माइंडसेट मैंने जहाँ तक नोटिस किया अभी तक, योर माइंडसेट इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एन एवरेज 50-year-old, you could say, who is working in corporate and everything, like considering same things as you, but your mindset is what actually makes you different from other people, right? So uh do you I have this question actually. Do you listen to music while you run?
Absolutely. You have to. You have, I mean, it's just so good that this question came. Basically, you should not, because when you're training for a particular marathon or an event, you should not train with music because the science says कि आप जो ज़्यादा करोगे वैसे आप बनोगे, right?
Hmm.
So if you listen more, so you need that music when you run. So music tend to increase your running. So I believe you should not listen to music when you are training for particular thing. When you are 100% training, right? कि मेरा average 6 होना चाहिए, मेरा average 5 होना चाहिए. So you should not. हाँ, but अगर आप 7.5 दौड़ रहे हैं और आपको 5 पेस चाहिए, ट्रेनिंग में भी sometimes you should have music, right? ये एक चीज हुआ. There is a science. वो जब आप एक बार पहुंच जाओगे फिर उसको हटा के आप कर सकते हो. ठीक है? You follow a basic thing. कौन सा म्यूजिक? एवरी म्यूजिक. I love Eminem. I love अरे I don't know, मैं if I say so मेरा बेटा बोलेगा पापा. So I love every music. So on Tuesday
Right.
I listen to Hanuman Chalisa that way because I fast on Tuesdays. So from last
Hmm.
60-70 years I'm fasting on Tuesdays. So I listen that and rest day every music is just fine.
अच्छा, मेरी रियलिटी काफी अलग है when I say.
Hmm.
So, do you know David Goggins by any chance?
Yeah, वो तो पागल है. He is absolutely mad, but he's the person on earth we should look after. And the way he runs, the I think he's an ex-SEAL.
Yes, he is
Uh,
ex-Navy SEAL.
yeah, so I know, I know.
No, no. I'll show you one thing for the audience as well. You see there, the man right there.
Yes, yes, he's there.
Yep,
Yes,
he
yes,
motivates me a lot.
yeah.
So, I'll tell you one thing. The
Hmm.
26 kilometers I had run in 4 hours 40 minutes. I
Hmm.
was, running on zone 2. Obviously, I'm overweight as of now, but I'll change
पहला
that.
चीज आज first thing from today you are not overweight. You're becoming slim.
Oh, thank you. I know. I'm seeing the difference myself. So, what I was getting to is the 4 hours 40 minutes I never listened to music. I was
Beautiful.
just
Beautiful, because you are in your own zone. You are in your own zone, and
right.
the more you run without music, believe me, your thoughts be so positive. Negative things just go away, right? And you. I don't know how to put this thing again. Uh, it is if I put in this way, eat for the body you want and not the body you have, right?
Right.
So this is what I have to say. So आपको जो बनना है ना, वो आप तभी बन सकते हो जब आप खुद के साथ हो. म्यूजिक जब हो जाता है ना, तब आप खुद के साथ नहीं रहते हो, आप किसी और के साथ रहते
Correct.
हो, राइट? और जब आप when the real marathon starts at 33 kilometers, राइट?
हम्म
33 किलोमीटर्स तक आपको लगता है कि जो मैंने ट्रेनिंग किया, जो हुआ, वो 33 किलोमीटर्स मार्क को तोड़ने के लिए ना, यू हैव टू ओवरकम वो 33 किलोमीटर्स, वो तभी पॉसिबल है जब आप आपके खुद के साथ हो, व्हेन यू आर विथ योर सोल, फाइन? When each and every step, each and every breath you take is sync with you, right? So this is how I put and I see. So what you have done is beautiful.
थैंक यू। यू नो मैनी पीपल से पागल हो गया तू तू क्या है बिना म्यूजिक के कैसे भाग सकता है भाई। मेरे को लिटरली पता है ये कमेंट आया था, लाइक ऑफ कोर्स नॉट
Hmm.
ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, इन रियल लाइफ दोस्तों से मिला
Hmm.
था सब, बोल रहे थे भाई 4 घंटे हम क्या 10 मिनट 15 मिनट भी नहीं रह सकते बिना म्यूजिक के, स्पेशली वर्किंग आउट।
Yes, yes, yes.
एक्चुअली आई हैव एन एनेक्डोट टू शेयर विथ यू एज वेल।
Hmm.
सो मेरा एक दोस्त है, मेरा सीनियर है, सो मैं उसको रनिंग के लिए पुश कर दिया था। मैं बोला, उसको एक्चुअली पैर में सर्जरी हुई थी, सो
Okay.
वो ठीक हो गया था बाद में।
Okay.
लाइक उसको थोड़ा सा कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेशन था हल्का सा। मैं बोला
Hmm.
कोई ना 10K ही तो करना है, वॉक कर लेना भले ही, अगर पैर में पेन आ गया तो। नहीं, वो हमारा क्योंकि क्या है ना, मेजर रन था वो हैदराबाद में उस दिन।
Hmm.
उसने उससे पहले लाइक जिम वगैरह करता था, ही नोज व्हाट ही डज राइट, वर्किंग आउट एंड एक्सेट्रा।
Hmm.
उस दिन बंदा म्यूजिक पहन के भाग रहा, म्यूजिक सुनते हुए भाग रहा था। 10K आई गेस ही कंप्लीटेड इन 1 hour 40 minutes और समथिंग।
Hmm.
सो मैंने उसके बाद उसको बोला भाई बिना म्यूजिक के एक बार ट्राई करना।
Hmm.
एंड वो रन को 4-5 महीने हो चुके हैं हमको।
Okay.
Now that guy is running 10K in 1 hour 10 minutes and he's like, भाई बिना म्यूजिक के
Yes.
I feel that I'm in that bliss area. I know what I'm
Yes.
going through. I know my stride and
Exactly.
everything. Obviously,
Absolutely.
training is a part of it, but I believe that more than a physical um, limitation, it's a mental limitation which actually stops you.
Absolutely.
Physical pain क्या है, वो तो
So,
बस
so
हो जाएगा खत्म।
वो फिजिकल पेन है ना, वो तो थोड़े टाइम का रहता है, उसके बाद आपकी बॉडी इज वेरी सुपर कूल, यू नो। आपका अगर इफ इट इज पेनिंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज यू हैव डन समथिंग फिजिकली, बिलीव मी, नेक्स्ट इन नेक्स्ट 30 days द सेम पेन विल नॉट कम। योर बॉडी
Correct.
इज सो गुड, अंडरस्टैंड कि ये तो होने वाला है, तो हमको पहले ही इसको ठीक कर देना है, पहले ही हम वी हैव टू फाइट फॉर दिस थिंग, सो इट इज सुपर कूल।
वही बोल रहा था, लाइक इट एक्चुअली काफी लोग अपोज करते हैं इस चीज से कि ना अरे म्यूजिक सुनना है नहीं सुनना है करके। इन रनिंग कम्युनिटी ऑब्वियसली इफ आर एक्टिव विल गेट टू नो दीस काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस एग्जिस्ट।
I'll tell you, I've got this earpods is new noise cancellation. Fine. So normally what happens, I wear them. ठीक है? Or I don't have music. Believe me, again, it is so good. आप noise cancellation आप लगा लो, and when you are running, it is so sync with your soul. Your आप जो सांस ले रहे हो, आपका जो step है, वो sync करता है ना जब, and you will so beautiful. वो आप ही समझ सकते हो जब आप उसको लगा के आप दौड़ोगे, क्योंकि कोई व्हीकल का नहीं आ रहा है आवाज़, आप किसी की आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है, यू आर विथ योरसेल्फ, योर ज़ोन, एंड पीपल से कि अरे मैंने आपको हाय नहीं किया, मैंने बोला मुझे पता है आपने हाय किया और मैं भी हाय कर रहा हूँ, कहते हैं आप तो सुन रहे हैं, मैंने बोला नहीं नहीं ये सिर्फ ऐसे लगा के रखा है, नथिंग एल्स।
एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई बिलीव वी कॉल रनर्स हाई एज वेल, इज इट?
यस यस, यस यस, एब्सोल्युटली, इट इज मोर सुपर स्ट्रांग देन हेरोइन।
ट्रू, ट्रू दैट। सो सिंस यू आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट रनिंग ओनली, आपको क्या लगता है लाइक व्हाई इन इंडिया स्पेशली रनर्स की जो तादाद है, लाइक 150 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन है हमारी, उसमें
माय
से
गॉड।
रनर्स का पॉपुलेशन ही इतना कम है, और वो कम में भी इतने कम लोग हैं, लाइक इफ यू नैरो डाउन इट्स लिटरली 0.1% और समथिंग। आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग अप द फिगर बट यू गेट इट राइट व्हाट आई मीन। इतने कम रनर्स हैं, लाइक हाउ, व्हाई इज इट दैट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डू यू थिंक?
Daksh, Daksh ji, thank you so much for asking the question. First of all, I have to acknowledge the fact. Fine. अब मुझे अब इसका क्वेश्चन का आंसर इज सो गुड। आई नॉर्मली से व्हेन आई गो टू प्लेसेस, व्हिच स्पोर्ट यू प्ले अदर देन रनिंग?
टेबल टेनिस।
It can be a table tennis, it can be a football, it can be a cricket, it can be a kho, it can be damn dancing, normally dancing. If
Hmm.
anything gets wrong, what is your punishment?
If anything
जाओ
gets
चार
wrong, what's
जाओ 4 चक्कर लगाओ ग्राउंड के।
uh-huh. Right. Okay. I understand where you're getting to. Understood.
right? When you are in school, whatever activity you do, you are not in good in cricket, or you have done something wrong in studies, you've done something on dancing, you've done something in sports. What will be your punishment? जाओ चक्कर लगाओ
चक्कर
दो
लगा के
राउंड
आओ।
दो. So जो बच्चे लोग हैं ना, the new generation, they feel running is so bad because हम कुछ गलत करेंगे, so running is the punishment, and they think running is the enemy. So we
Right.
have to change that mentality. We have to change the core thing regarding this punishment. We shouldn't do this, right? So when people will understand, अरे रनिंग से तो मैं और खा सकता हूँ, रनिंग से तो मैं और मीठा खा सकता हूँ, रनिंग से आई कैन लुक यंगर. अगर फीमेल्स हैं, फीमेल्स का मेन इशू यही है कि मेरे को है ना यंग दिखना है, या मुझे और अच्छा दिखना है, या मेल्स आई हैव टू बी अ गुड फिजिक एंड आई हैव मेरा दूसरे से ज्यादा अच्छा कंपटीशन हो. So running is the thing. Running is the basic thing what you have to do, right? So you have to change that mentality from the core, from the nursery. अगर आप नर्सरी में एक चक्कर सिर्फ बच्चों को लगवाओगे ग्राउंड के, बिलीव मी, जब वो 12th पास करेंगे ना, दे वुड बी देन एथलीट्स, एंड एवरी स्कूल विल हैव वन और द अदर. आई बिलीव इन दिस
Hmm.
बिकॉज जब मुझे पनिशमेंट मिलता था तो 2 चक्कर बोलते तो मैं तो 4 लगाता था. Because I was long distance runs from 15, 16 years.
Right. So what I understood by your responses, कि it's all, जो हमारा बचपन है, बचपन
Yes.
में हमारा परसेप्शन जो है चीजों को लेके, इट
वो
डिपेंड्स
चेंज
ऑन
करना
दैट. तो
है. एब्सोल्युटली.
रनिंग के रिलेटेड तो वही है कि रनिंग इज रिलेटेड टू पनिशमेंट, हेंस इट इज इक्वल टू बैड.
यस, बिकॉज़ आप भी सोचो ना, अगर आप अभी मैं बोलूँ आपको रनिंग करने के लिए, आप सीधा बचपन में चले जाओगे, और बचपन में जाके आपको क्या याद आएगा? अरे मैं भाग रहा था। अरे बाप रे! है ना? यही याद आएगा, और कुछ याद नहीं आने वाला है।
नहीं, लेकिन आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू वन थिंग. अभी जब हमारी स्कूलिंग हुई थी, ऑब्वियसली आप तब यू वुड हैव बीन एट द एज ऑफ 30-35. हमारी स्कूलिंग के वक्त पनिशमेंट के लिए रनिंग तो नहीं होता था,
हुँ।
वो अभी नहीं होता है.
ग्राउंड नहीं है ना
लेकिन
आजकल।
मैं वहीं पे आने वाला था, क्योंकि ग्राउंड और एक चीज ये है कि बच्चों को एनकरेज नहीं किया जा रहा स्पोर्ट्स में, क्योंकि
यस।
कंपटीशन इतना ज्यादा हो गया है पढ़ाई के. ऑब्वियसली आई हैव बीन इन द रैट रेस ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग, राइट? सो आई हैव रिटन दीज कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड since school days I was this kind of a person, and introverted, and this guy who didn't do any sports. So obviously would imagine me as very chubby, golu molu, and literally मेरा नाम भी घर में गोलू ही है. वही रीजन से वही है. सो तब तब कुछ भी नहीं था स्कूल के वक्त में, एंड कोविड भी आ गया था तब. कोविड आई बिलीव वाज अ ग्रेट चांस फॉर पीपल टू ट्रांसफॉर्म देयर लाइव्स,
यस,
जस्ट लाइक हाउ यू
एब्सोल्युटली.
डिड.
Yes, yes. I say, I'll not say कि thank COVID, but yes, I have to thank.
वही. बट अब हमारी एज में क्या है, हमें डिसिप्लिन वगैरह सिखाना बहुत मुश्किल है. लाइक
बहुत टफ है.
20 नहीं, I would say children, like teenagers especially, because
Teenagers,
we have
yes.
also been through, right? So
Yes.
I understand the pain we give to our parents at that time. नहीं,
Tough
so
है.
again,
It's tough.
I believe it's a system which should change regarding this whole
But believe me,
aspect of it.
Gen Zs are very clever. They will definitely gonna rock, and they will take India to the moon. Believe me, this is happening. I can see my son Rudraksh. I never had become a captain of even sport. I was a vice captain for some football team, but never. But he was a school captain. So he's seeing what I'm doing. I think everything just gonna be just fine with these kids.
Right. नहीं, but actually running आ रहा है धीरे धीरे कल्चर में,
Yes, बहुत
थैंक्स
आ
टू
रहा है.
सोशल मीडिया.
Absolutely.
बाहर से इंस्पायर हो रहे हैं, जैसे अभी आई जस्ट नाउ शोड गॉगन्स, राइट? ऐसे ऐसे
Hmm.
लोग हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली मन करता है कि अरे हम मेरा तो इनिशियल मोटिवेशन वही था, रनिंग के रिलेटेड. मैंने गॉगन्स की स्टोरी पढ़ी, आई वाज लाइक
My God.
खत्म. आई वाज लाइक यार ये बंदा कैसे कर लेता है. तो
कर
मेरे को
लेता है.
रनिंग से पता है तब, तो मेरे को ऐसा नहीं है कि आई एंजॉय रनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, I'm, in that Goggins mentality only. Arey, running is pain, pain is enjoyment. I'm in that zone most of the
Exactly.
time.
This is the thing. This is how you learn a thing कि भैया दौड़ने से दर्द होता है। यस होता है, पर उसके बाद जो रनर्स हाई होता है, माय गॉड,
वो तो एक्सपीरियंस करने वाली बात है। ऐसा बोलने
यस
से उसको जस्टिस नहीं होगा।
यू कैनॉट स्पीक, वो आप बोल नहीं सकते। और फिर आप 3 दिन अगर आप नहीं दौड़े, तो 3 दिन आप चिड़चिड़े हो जाओगे, यू विल नॉट लाइक टू टॉक टू एनीबॉडी, देयर इज समथिंग मिसिंग इन योर लाइफ, आई मीन व्हाट नॉट।
राइट। सो अगेन रनिंग कल्चर तो आ रहा है धीरे धीरे। दैट्स व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू से। लाइक जैसे आपसे पूछा था ना, पहला क्वेश्चन वही था मेरा कि इंडिया में रनिंग कम है, लेकिन हाँ आ रहा है। फिर भी लोगों को क्या लगता है, हमें भागने के लिए अब महंगे जूते चाहिए या एक्सेट्रा। एंड विद दैट आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली इन माय माइंड, इम्प्रॉम्प्टू क्वेश्चन। आपने अभी तक अपने गियर पे कितना खर्चा किया है, लाइक जूते, घड़ी, कपड़े वगैरह फॉर रनिंग इटसेल्फ?
I shouldn't say this. But
I-
yeah, it's a fortune. It's a fortune because when you are having a income which is from a salary, it is so tough. Because if you just put in words from last 10 years, I think 2025
oh, oh wow. Yeah, but actually, that is, we are speaking thousands, right?
lakhs.
Oh, no, that is not good then. My bad.
Yeah, because just see, one shoe, the life is 750 average, right?
Hmm.
So every 1.5 months, my one shoe gets over. That's it.
Oh, true, right? You run half marathon every day, right?
Every day. So it is something like that.
Understandable.
And then you need proteins, you need protein double times, you need multivitamins, you have to eat because my calorie intake is 4,500 a day. I have to eat that.
No
So
way.
yeah, it is 4,000, 4,500. Average it is 3,500, but every day have to eat 4,500 because average normal being who doesn't run, doesn't do any physical activity, his average outflow is 2,500, right? If you don't
Hmm.
do anything, just your job, just your sleeping, just your bathroom thing, and it is just 2,500. But the person who runs, so again 1,500 to 2,000 calories again he spends on this thing when he's running
Correct.
21. So my is 45 to 4,000 to 4,500. So just imagine a person who is vegetarian, how he gets his protein intake. It's so tough because in
बहुत
India
tough है.
it is, yeah, बहुत tough है because I have left non-veg 17 years back. I've left even eggs 6 years back. So this is totally vegetarian body. So yes, expensive. It is expensive.
हाँ, आई कैन रिलेट टू दैट। कि मैं भी अंडे नहीं खाता हूँ, चिकन भी नहीं खाता हूँ मैं भी। सो
Okay.
उसके हिसाब से भी प्रोटीन का इंटेक करना इज वन बिग हेल ऑफ अ टास्क।
Yes.
बहुत
And the
ज्यादा।
worst thing about protein is, you know what? It is like you have to eat 1 gram per kg, right? And the person who is running this much, he has to eat 1.5 per kg. So
आराम से।
150 grams I have to eat a day. So I cannot take that protein in a single sitting. If you take 35 grams more protein, then it's the expensive urine, nothing else. So yeah, this is the thing. So 35, 40 per gram per sitting. So you have to eat 3, 4 times. So it is so tough, so tough.
राइट। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द sacrifices which you do every day.
Yeah, I mean, there are.
Obviously आपके फिजिक्स से भी पता चलता है, you don't look like 50, your metabolism is high.
Yes,
And what is the best part? You're mentally sound, and you're not stressed with, at least the way you're living your life. Probably I could say that. Obviously हर किसी को खुद का एक stress होता है. At your age,
yes,
at your responsibility as well, you have
yes,
this corporate stress of yours, but that's a whole different area, right?
yes,
At least in terms of life, I believe that, you're at peace with yourself.
yes. Absolutely. Because running had taught me no matter what happens, 21 तो
Hmm.
करना ही है, 21 तो होना ही है. When I was running 103 at Pune Ultra, so that was the, I mean, scariest thing. I've started at in the morning and then at 4:35, and I've ended at around night 9:30, 10 ish. So you have started at 7 degree and you went up to 42, then came back to 10.
Oh,
So they taught me the running taught me that yes, tough things will come, and easily it also goes also goes. So this is what had taught me. So yes, corporate life is tough. Who says it's easy? Again, everything is tough in the world. Who says it is easy? But
hmm,
running can teach you कि yes, मुश्किलें चले जाएंगी.
बराबर. Actually, I would want to, speak with you about the 103-kilometer run,
Yeah,
right? You started at 4:30 a.m., right? You said
yeah, yes, yes, yes.
4:30 to night 9:30.
Yeah. It was around
4:30.
16 hours, 16 hours run, and I have not practiced more than 55 kilometers. So yeah, it was tough, but there were four loops for that 25 kilometers loop. It was so it was a little tough, but we have done, and it was a great experience.
You
Again,
managed to maintain.
there were two hills and
Uh,
one. I mean, there were two hills also in that loop.
oh, okay. So it was a trail run.
Yeah, you cannot say trail because the roads were there. So,
Okay.
but yeah, it is. It was a mountain too.
Mix of trail and road, we could say.
Yeah, you can say that.
Okay. Mix of trail. But still, like maintaining pace of, 7 kilometers per hour. That, right?
Yes, yeah, almost.
Okay. Almost.
So,
That's bad.
other than that, I have done two ring road of Ahmedabad. That is 77 kilometers. So I've
Hmm.
done two that. I've done couple of 50s. I've done around 22, 24 full marathons. Other than what I've done.
That's very impressive, Like,
Yeah.
obviously, because an average person does not do, half marathon also. He does not do
Yes.
marathon.
Yes.
So obviously you're not average. You're one of the outliers, of our country. I could say
I'm
that with,
trying. I don't know, but I'm trying.
no. You are, apart from being, humble, I believe that you're one of the outliers of our country, I could say. It's just that, people need to hear your story more often. It's your social presence, probably, because of that, you're not that much seen. Also, um, you could be as famous as David Goggins of India, also. Who knows? I know there are many different athletes in India, who have accomplished definitely more than you, but everyone has their own story and
Yes.
everyone has the chance of, presenting their story through social media. And that's why I started this podcast as well to, bring these kind of stories so that people get inspired. People
I
have
have to say
something.
thank you. I have to say thank you because of you. This is possible. I can express myself. And believe me, things gonna change. Believe me, people like you, Zenzi, again, will change the thing, what has to be done. India is too vast. We have got so many talented people. But I'll give you one example, right? Tendulkar, right? Tendulkar sir. So there were three friend of Tendulkar sir. One is himself, and one is Kamli sir, and one is third person. I don't remember right now. तो ये तीनों लोग जो थे ना, दक्ष, they were one of the best batters in the world, right?
Hmm.
तेंदुलकर सर से अच्छा कामली सर खेलते थे, कामली सर से अच्छा वो थर्ड पर्सन खेलते थे. आई एम सो सॉरी, आई जस्ट डोंट रिमेंबर हिज नेम. इफ यू जस्ट गूगल इट, इट विल कम.
I'm doing it right now.
या प्लीज डू इट. सो जो थर्ड सर थे ना, जो उनके तेंदुलकर सर के जो कोच थे, वो ये कहते थे तुम में से सबसे पहले ये बंदा जाएगा और ये इंडिया खेलेगा, एंड दिस पर्सन विल रूल द वर्ल्ड, राइट? बट यू
Amol
नो
Muzumdar is the man.
yeah, the coach or the third person? Third
Was
person.
it? Now, when I googled it, it showed, Amol Muzumdar sir was the trio. But yeah, the
हाँ.
coach also.
Uh, so I'm so sorry, I don't remember the name. So
Yeah,
you know
even
what
I don't.
happened? So the third person was the best batter. And जो
Hmm.
जो उनके, ये बहुत लोगों को ये स्टोरी पता नहीं है, राइट?
Hmm.
सो मैं यही बता रहा हूँ, ये स्टोरी मेरे पास कैसे आया, बिकॉज ऑफ सम पर्सन लाइक यू हु हैज captured this thing, and it came to me, right? Same
Hmm.
Zenzi. So I'll have to say this story. तो जब थर्ड पर्सन थे ना, so something happened, and you know what happened? उसका जो भाई थे, वो ड्रग्स और उसमें चले गए। तो जो थर्ड पर्सन थे ना, वो धीरे-धीरे बैटिंग और उससे जाने लगे, और वो इतने अच्छे बैटर थे, जो कोच थे, कोच वाज़ सेइंग यू तेंदुलकर सर को कि आप देखो ये कैसे हिट कर रहा है, ये देखो कैसे डिफेंड कर रहा है, ये देखो कैसे फॉरवर्ड खेल रहा है, राइट? वो तेंदुलकर सर को ये बताते थे कि जस्ट सी, और व्हाट हैपेंड, उनके जो दो थर्ड पर्सन थे, उनके ड्रग्स में आ गए, वो उनको बचाने के चक्कर में अपना टाइम देना बंद कर दिया, उनको फील्ड में आने के लिए, प्रैक्टिस में आना बंद कर दिया। धीरे-धीरे, धीरे-धीरे आज वो एक 10 बाय 10 की खोली में मुंबई में रहते हैं। कामली सर इज़ गॉन। वो भी उसी चीज़ में नेगेटिव और उसके अंदर आते गए, और सर इज़ गॉन। ओनली
राइट।
तेंदुलकर सर इज़ देयर। सो
हुँ।
व्हाट आई हैव टू से, just one step a day, be positive, fine. Negative things will come and it will go. You should see what your temptations are. You have to remove your temptation for discipline. अगर कामली सर होते, डिसिप्लिन उस लेवल पे होते, और अब वो थर्ड पर्सन अगर उनका भाई वो नहीं करता, या वो अगर उनको मौका मिलता, बहुत कम लोगों को मौका मिलता है। हम इंडिया में बहुत लोगों को मौका है दौड़ने के लिए, बहुत अच्छी रोड्स हैं, वी हैव अ पीस लविंग कंट्री, हम कहीं भी दौड़ सकते हैं, राइट? आई विल टेल यू, माय फादर इज़ फ्रॉम पंजाब, माय मॉम शी इज़ फ्रॉम केरला, माय वाइफ शी इज़ फ्रॉम राजस्थान, आई बोर्न अप ब्रॉट अप एट एमपी, एंड मेरी कर्म भूमि अभी गुजरात है। यू टेल मी ये
हुँ।
कहाँ हो सकता है? ये किस कंट्री में हो सकता है? और
सिर्फ़ भारत में ही
व्हाटएवर
हो सकता है।
सिर्फ भारत में हो सकता है। सो पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस कि उनको क्या मिला है। वो अमेरिका में दौड़ नहीं सकते सुबह 4 बजे। वो यूरोप में नहीं दौड़ सकते इस लेवल पे, जिस लेवल पे हम आराम से रात के 2 बजे दौड़ लेते हैं।
हुँ।
कहाँ कौन किधर कर सकता है? नॉट पॉसिबल। देयर आर मैनी स्टेट इन द वर्ल्ड यू जस्ट कैनॉट go in the morning also. So you are blessed. You don't know what you have received as a Bharatiya. So just this because of you guys, let this come out, let people should running or whatever they want.
I I couldn't have asked any better ending for this episode as well. Like, I believe that's the core essence of Indians as well. हमारे पास पोटेंशियल है, हमारे पास टैलेंट है हर चीज़ करने का, बस हमें जी जान और लगन से करना होगा। रियलाइज़ करना होगा दैट वी आर हैविंग दीज़ गिफ्ट्स, वी नीड टू बी मोर
Yes,
ग्रेटफुल,
yes,
मोर हम्बल, एंड
absolutely.
दैट्स इट। We are
Yes,
one of the best, we have one of the best people in our country as well, who could
yes,
definitely change the way how India is being represented at the global level as well.
absolutely, absolutely.
All right. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for joining in for the episode. I'm really
Thanks,
glad,
Jesse.
that you had accepted it as well. क्योंकि मेरे को लगा नहीं था कि आपको टाइम मिलेगा इसके लिए. I'm so glad. I'm genuinely
Believe
grateful
me,
as well.
thank you so much. Believe me, I don't speak that much. I'm really reserved kind of a guy. Putting numbers in my Strava after 1,000 days. You believe this? So I'm little reserved. So that is the secondary thing. But yes, because of this thing, many people have getting to know me, and they're changing their life for good. So this gives me goosebumps, and this helps me to run more. And it's something great. I think God has given me, and I'm thankful to you that you have given me this platform. Thank you so
अरे कोई
much.
नहीं, कोई नहीं. Thank you. That's Abhishek for you.
Thank you so much.